Hi everyone, this is a demonstration of how a food digester works. This machine uses inoculant to transform the food waste in grey water that after this process goes straight into the drain. The machine is going to register all the food that goes into the chamber, and all we need to make the machine work is water, so cold and hot water, and the machine makes it at a temperature of 39 degrees Celsius, electricity, and of course we need the drain and internet connection that could be a Wi-Fi or by cable. For this demonstration, we are going to use some orange peel, and it's just necessary that we are going to type on the display from which area this food waste is coming. In this case is room service, and corresponds to number 4, and the meal type, that is what kind of service, in this case is one that is breakfast. So after it, we just open the lid. At the moment it's not running for safety reason, because there is a sensor that stops the machine. We throw the food waste into the machine, and once the lid is closed, the machine starts to move these paddles, you see, and mixing the food with water and these plastic chips. The plastic chips have an important role because makes the food in small parts so easier to process. So now I close the lid and the machine starts working, starts running. Thank you very much.